Yeah, Dewald. I mean, Albie said it the other day. It's a line we use often. He's going to break our hearts, and then one day he's gonna do something so special. And now I've got a really good feel about Sunday and the matches to follow. Consistency is really not something we look for in T20 cricket. Um, we're wanting impact, and I think Dewald is that player that can make that impact on the game single handedly, and so can other players. But the bigger the occasion, um, the real Dewald Brewer stands up. We saw that in SA20s that he had a lean period, and then running into knockout stages, he then stands up. And I think he's that type of guy that the bigger the occasion, he thrives under that. So we're hoping it's Sunday and the 26th as well as the first. Um, but yeah, I'm not too worried. Um, he'll find his way. He's an X factor player for us, and we give him his head, and allow him to do that. And maybe that's the Trevor's head, but you're looking for, Zaya.